Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss the topic punctuation. Punctuation marks help us read and understand a written passage clearly. They help us read and understand the written passage clearly. Punctuation marks such as full stop, comma, question mark, capital letters, all these are used in the written language, and as per the punctuation marks only we read, and they help us to understand its meaning. Now we will study the uses of different punctuation marks. The first one is capitalization or capital letters. When do we use capital letters? First one is to begin each sentence with capital letter. The first word should be in the capital letter. First word of each sentence must begin with a capital letter. Okay. Second one is for proper nouns. All the proper nouns starts with capital letter. For Rohan, R should be in capital letter. Mary, M should be in capital letter. Japan, J should be in capital letter. India, I should be in capital letter. All the proper nouns should begin with capital letter. Next is for titles before names. For titles before names, we write Mr. or Mrs., Shri, Srimati. They should be written in capital letter. Mr. M should be in capital. Mrs. M should be in capital. Shri S should be in capital. Clear? Srimati S should be in capital letter. These are the titles before names and should start with capital letters. Next is for initials. For initials. For example, S.R. Khan. We write the name Shah Rukh Khan. When we write its initial S.R. Khan, S.R. should be in capital letters. Then for titles, for the topics, we should use the capital letter. For example, if we write the name of the title of an essay, a rainy day, a rainy day. Dear children, in writing the titles also there are certain rules. For writing the title, every word begins with a capital letter except the articles, conjunctions or the prepositions. If articles, conjunctions or prepositions comes in any title, that should be written with small letters. Rest all the words should begin with capital letters. But here A is an article, but we have written it in capital letter. Why? Because here the title is beginning with an article. If it comes in between the title, it will be written in small letters. One more example I will write here. One more example I will write here to make you understand. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. It's the title. In this we can see Harry, H is capital, Potter, P is capital, Goblet, G is capital, Fire, F is capital. But and, the and of are written in small letters because and is a conjunction, the is an article, of is a preposition. Clear? If the title begins with any article, that should be written in capital. If it comes in between the title, it should be written in small letters. This is the way of writing the titles. Next is for special holidays. For special holidays like Diwali, D should be in capital. Eid, I should be in capital. Easter, E should be in capital. Christmas, C should be in capital. For languages, when we write the names of different languages, should begin with capital letter. Hindi, H should be in capital letter. Tamil, T should be in capital letter. Okay. Next is for months. Names of months also begins with capital letter always. January, J is in capital letter. February, F in capital letter. Then adjectives formed from proper nouns. Some adjectives are formed from proper nouns. For example, Chinese. Chinese restaurant, if we say, in this word we can see Chinese is an adjective. Clear? And the adjectives which are formed from the proper nouns should always begins with capital letter. Chinese, C should be in capital letter. Indians, I should be in capital letter. Japanese, J should be in capital letter. And the next rule is for the first word in direct speech. There are two speeches, direct and indirect speech. For example, I write one direct speech here on the board. We will be back soon. We will be back soon. Said we. Dear children, it's a direct speech. Direct speech means when the speaker's words are written exactly the way spoken by the speaker without making any changes, and they are placed in the inverted comma. That is called the direct speech. And in direct speech, the sentence always begins with a capital letter. Clear? For the first word in direct speech begins with a capital letter.